How to fix Cake app sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everyone. Today I will show you how to fix this issue. Let's do it. Open your settings of your phone, open your apps option, search for Cake. Click and then you will see this list. Go to storage and click clear cache. Right now back, click on force stop and click OK. After that come to Play Store or App Store, update your Cake if the update is available. Right now, you need just to come and restart your phone, and that's all what you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.